Hey guys, so in this video we are going to be creating a ticket and we're going to be getting it signed in the field. So this would be a scenario where you are creating a ticket and your general contractor's authorized signer is in the field and they're available to sign off on the ticket. So from the home screen, you are going to see all of your projects that are currently active, and you are going to want to identify your project and you're going to want to click the add button. So we are going to go into mobile project, which is 19005, the second one down. We found our project, so we're going to click add. We're now going to click add ticket. This description at the top of the screen is strictly a line kind of placeholder for the change order request. It does not determine any sort of kind of hourly rate. It's strictly if this is new work, no charge, overtime, rework, patchwork, or other. So we're going to keep it at new work. The location tag is where the scope of work is occurring on the project, and we are going to add in our scope of work. So we'll click into the text box. And in order to get out of your keyboard, you're going to want to click into any of the white area that's out of a text box. So we're going to click into the white area. It's going to collapse the keyboard. And we're going to add some additional notes as well too. Notice how the keyboard covered up the text box. You're going to want to just scroll up on your screen, and you will never run into a scenario where your text box is covered by the keyboard. And once you're happy with your scope of work and your additional notes, you're going to click the continue button. Now, if the general contractor is on site and is going to sign this on the spot, we recommend you bringing this screen over to the general contractor. From here, if the GC is not happy with the scope of work, or maybe wants different additional notes, maybe the description's not right, what you can do is you can click the edit button. It's going to return you to the input screen. We're going to change our scope. We're going to click continue. Bring us back to the summary screen. And the GC is now happy with this, so we are going to click create and get authorization. What that does is that brings us to the signature page, and this is where the general contractor is going to sign off and approve this scope of work. So you will need to select the GC's authorized signer from the drop-down. Make sure to click the done button. The GC is going to go ahead and sign in the signature pad. And lastly, they're going to select the checkbox for the terms and conditions. Note that you are not able to click authorize now unless the authorized signer has been identified. So the name has to be in the authorized by box. There has to be a signature in the signature pad section, and the terms and conditions box needs to be selected in order to authorize now. So we'll go ahead and click authorize now. We've successfully created a ticket. We're going to click OK. And that brings us into our ticket. So we can see that this was authorized on 10/22 of 19, and we are good to go.